So I saw your question on the discussion board. Use a histogram. So you want to use this histogram to answer these questions. There are blank classes. So you just got to count the bars. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, here all you have to do, if you have the histogram, count how many bars you have, and that'll be the number of classes, which is 7. The least frequency is about blank 30. Frequency is the vertical axis, so we want to find the shortest bar, which would be right here. It looks like they're counting by 50s, and so, it looks like, looks to me around, it's 30, I guess exact, around half of it. What's the greatest frequency? Well, that's the tallest bar. It looks like it's exactly 300. The class width, you could just take 2 of these midpoints and subtract. You could any 2 consecutive ones, like 44.5 minus 34.5. That's 10. So you just pick out 2 consecutive, any 2 consecutive midpoints here and subtract, and that'll give you 10. Looks like you did this part fine. Hope it helps.